tip out the table. Oh, my nose!
Oh God!
It really freaking hurt. Okay.
Way to do like friggin' phase 5.
Go right there. I'm gonna do a flip.
A what?
Oh, a flip.
That's called a somersault, not a flip, genius.
No, I'm gonna do a flip. Look right there.
That's also called a somersault.
No, it's not. It's a flip.
It's called a somersault.
Look, this is a flip.
In my world, we call that somersault.